Hey guys, what's going on? LifeNGaming here, and today I'm just coming at you with a little vlog. I'm gonna turn the camera around real quick. Look at all that traffic. Look at the rearview mirror. Yeah, it is raining. It is raining hardcore down here in Granbury, Texas. I'm just trying to get home. Just got out of HEB doing my computer-based training there. Just got finished with that. Holy Jesus, this traffic. My road. I'm trying so hard to contain my road rage. Like, just. Only question that can be asked is, but why though? Seriously, all y'all guys out there praying for rain. Would you freaking give us a break? I mean, I appreciate rain and everything, but Jesus Christ, it's flooding our streets. Like, 144 is flooded. Like 5 cops just passed my truck, going that way to get people out of the damn road, and the tow truck also went as well. Oh my gosh. Usually by now I'd already be halfway home in the amount of time I've sat in this traffic. Literally, the traffic's so bad that the lights are staying green, and when they turn red, people are in the middle of intersections, stopped in traffic. Oh, it's terrible. Freaking terrible. Right now I'm just trying to keep a good commentary going up just because it's keeping my mind off of road rage. But I should probably put my phone down because a lot of cops are going by and everything, so I'll vlog whenever I'm getting gas. I'll see y'all guys soon. If I even get there in time enough to remember. Look at that. Hey guys, I'm back. I'm getting gas right now. Finally made it off 377. I don't know if you can see it that well from my recording, but Jesus Christ, it was flooded. Seriously, stop praying for rain. Anyway, I guess that's all I'm going to do for this vlog. Yeah. Alright guys, I'll see y'all later. Take care.